Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload posts on Buy Me a Coffee. So if you want to share updates, photos, behind-the-scenes content, or exclusive posts with your supporters, this guide will walk you through everything step by step in 2026. First, log into your Buy Me a Coffee account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Posts or Updates section on the left menu. Next, click on the Create Post button. This opens the editor where you can write your content. This is where you'll add your text, images, or any updates you want to share with your audience. Now start writing your post. You can add announcements, personal updates, or exclusive content for your members. You can also upload images, embed links, or format your text to make it more engaging. Next, choose who can see your post. You can make it public for everyone or restrict it to members only. This is useful if you want to share premium content just for your paying supporters. Once everything looks good, click Publish. After that, your post will go live, and your followers or members will instantly be able to see it. Quick tip: posting consistently helps you grow faster on Buy Me a Coffee. Creators who post regular updates usually get more engagement and more support over time, and that's basically it. You now know how to upload posts on Buy Me a Coffee in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you stay connected with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.